Hey y'all, I have to make a quick little video and apologize. The heading on this video is a question. Am I stupid? Yes, I am. I told you guys that this motor here was a 260 horsepower Volvo Pentra. It's not. It's a 350 Chevy small block engine. So am I stupid? Yes, I have no knowledge of motors. I'm not a gearhead. I don't know what I'm doing. My original thought was to pull the motor and put a outboard on it. And I had found out that a 250 horsepower outboard is $20,000. I can get a brand new rebuilt 350 Chevy small block for $1,500 and just use all my 10s off of this one. I had no idea they was that cheap. We did try to turn it over and get it running, my son and I, but what we had to do was come down here to the solenoid and jump it with a screwdriver. And he had told me that the solenoid is bad. So I went and got another one at O'Reilly's, and we're going to put this on and see if the key won't crank it. Another thing is, I know I need water to it, and I'm on a forum, and I asked somebody where to put a water hose to it, and they told me, and I'll show you that here in a minute. And but no, I'm learning on this. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know anything about an engine. I'm a woodworker. I build things out of wood. But I do want to learn. So that's what I'm doing. And another question that's been asked a lot is check to see if the transom is good. And I'm going to. From what I see, it's in good shape. I'm going to take everything off the back. Swim platform, stuff like that. Look at the hole, see if there's any water in it. I don't see that there is any in the boat already, but I do want to take you outside of the boat and show you what's going to cost me the most. Let's take a look. Oh, one other thing is a fuel filter. I've got one ordered. It's like $13 for the fuel filter. And we're going to change that out before we try to start it again. The fuel gauge says there's 60 gallons of fuel in a 120-gallon tank. Of course, it's no good. I'm going to try to get it out of there and put a secondary gas jug in here just to run it. And so yeah, that's what I'm doing. I need all the help I can get. Let's go outside and check it, and let me tell you what's going on there. Okay, hey, this is what I want to talk to you about. It doesn't have a lower unit on it. I'm trying to contact the previous owner to see what he did with it, but I don't think I have it. But what I've been talking to a guy in Louisville, Kentucky, who rebuilds lower unit and who has some, and he said just the lower part down here where the propeller is going to be about $1,000. Then I found out that you need an upper lower unit, so that's probably going to be about $1,000. And then I have sent him pictures back and forth to this thing, and he said he's got to check to see if he can get one. They don't have, the parts are hard to find for these. So and if I was to change this out, I would have to pull the motor anyway. So my point is here is I'm learning. Hey guys, I'm learning. I'm learning how to do this stuff and learning how to take things off but again, like I said, I am no gearhead. So I don't know anything about motors, so I need your all's help on this. But hey, I want to say something else. I want to say thank you for all the new subscribers. I've gained like 150 just this month. And I don't know why it's blowing up, but thank you. It's the coolest thing in the world. Hey, and next week's video, you'll see me hook a battery up to it, and we're going to turn some lights on and see what works and see what doesn't work and see if we can turn this motor over. So hey, stay with me. We'll talk to y'all soon.